Hello, fellow puzzle addicts. Today we have Brain Games Calendar 2017, a year of entertain your brain puzzles. I did not create any of these. I'm showing you all the people that did. What we'll be doing is going through these puzzles together and showing how you have to think to win them. Hello, welcome to Brain Games Calendar 2017. We're in week 18, day 4. We have Binairo. Let's begin. Complete the grid with zeros and ones until there are 5 zeros and 5 ones in every row and every column. No more than 2 of the same number can be next to or under each other. Rows and columns with exactly the same content are not allowed. So let's first do our absolutes, which is 2 same numbers next to each other. The opposite number goes on the outside. 2 same letters with one space in between them. Opposite number goes between them. Okay, so here we have, and here goes this. So because that's like that, that goes like that. Anything else? Oh, here we go 1, and this has to be 1, and this has to be, and this has to be, and because that's like that, 2, 3, 4, and anything else? All right. Okay, 1 space in between. Okay, so I think I've done all the absolutes. Here's one I forgot. Here's 1. Here's 1. Here's 1. Any more? Here's one I forgot. Okay, so it looks like I've gotten them all now. So let's go through and see if anything needs 1 or 2. Any row or column needs 1 or 2. Okay, so this row needs 2. We need 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need a 0 and a 1. So we don't have anything to help us figure that out. This column needs 3. 1, 2, 3. We need a single 0 and 2 1s. So that doesn't eliminate anything. 1, 2, 3. We need 3 zeros and 2 1s. Nope. This column needs 1, 2, 3. Needs 2 zeros and 2 1s. But there's nothing to say. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for this column we need a single 1 and 3 zeros. Okay, we need a 1 and we need 3 zeros, right? So we know in this space a single 2 zeros are not going to go. So the 1 can go here and it can be 0, or a 1 can go here and it could be 0. So that means that this is done. So that leaves only 2 zeros left to go here. And because of that, that goes like that. Oh, I forgot this position right here. Silly. Need a 0 there. Okay, so this row needs 1, 2, 3. It needs 2 zeros, a single 1 and 2 zeros. So we know both zeros are not going to go here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this has to be a 0. Fix that 1. Let's see, what about this column? 1, 2, 3, 4. We need a single 0, a single 1, and 2 zeros. Okay, see? 1 could go here. Well, we know that's what we need, a single 1 and 2. We know both zeros are not going to go here because that leaves us 3 in a row. So this has to be a 0. And because that 0 was put there, this is now 1. Okay, anything else? This column needs 1, 2, 3, 4, a single 1 and 2 zeros. So it can't be 0, 0, 1. So if this is a 0, then this is a 1. If this is a 1, then this is a 0. So this has to be 0. Because if this is a 1, this is a 0. If this is a 0, this is a 1. So this has to be 1. That becomes 0. And this one, we need 1, 2, 3, 4. We need a single 1 and 2 zeros. Well, in this case, it can only be in this position, like that. Because, let me show you. If you do it like this, the 2 zeros go like that. You can do it like this. You can't do that. So this has to be, which makes this a 0, makes that a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 makes this a 1. Okay, for this column, we need a single 0 and 3 1s. So we know if it's 1 like this, we need 3 1s. So it could be this. Well, actually, that's the only way it could be, because anything else gives you too many 1s, which makes that 0, which makes that 0, makes that 1. Makes this 0, makes this 1, makes this 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, makes this 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we are finished. Alrighty then. See you next time. Hello, welcome to Brain Games Calendar 2017. This is week 18, day 5. We have one letter, less or more. Let's begin. The word below contains the letters of the word above, plus or minus the letter in the middle. One letter is already in the right place. So we're minusing a T. So what I'm going to do is black out that T, whichever T you want to say was already utilized. Okay, so they've already put the E in the right place. I don't have to actually count this. We can use a T here. Too fat. But then, I mean, you can have a teen, but what does that mean? What does that spell? So that doesn't spell anything. Let's try N, E, T. Okay, let's try H, E, I, R. So no, that doesn't work. R, I didn't start with an R yet. R, E, T. Or maybe it's N. Could be N. R, E, N, T. Okay, so let's say the T and the H go together. Okay, oh, what about this? Can we spell this? N-E-I-T-H-E-R. Neither. N-E-I-T-H-E-R. I'm going to go with neither. Ah, there we go. Neither. Excellent. See you next time. Hello, welcome to Brain Games Calendar 2017. This is week 18, day 6. We have Brainteaser. Let's begin. 4 different kinds of meat were used to make these skewers, consisting of 7 pieces of meat. These are the first 3 skewers of the whole series. What will skewer 99 look like? Your answer will take the form of D-A-B-C, D-A-B. Okay, so here we have the letters. So we know that this is A, and this is A, this is C, this is B, and this is D. Okay, and so we know that the D is a pepperoni. and D was off to the side. So D is what starts the next one here. And if we start this one, C is off to the side and should start the next one here, which it does. C, D, A, B, C, D, A. Okay, so this is skewer number 1. So skewer number 4 which means that B is off to the side. So if we come here, it should be B, C, D, A, B, C. Okay, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, A, B, C, D. And the A is off to the side now. And if you go back up and you look, it starts it all over again. A starts it, B, C, D, and it's D off to the side. So 1 through 4 are the only different arrangements of skewers. So that means that these 4 are repeated over and over. So how many times do I repeat this 4 combination to get to 99? Well, we can round it off to a round number. Since we want 99, we could go to 100. So if we take 4 times 25, that does not look like a 5. That'll give us 100. Let me write in a fatter pencil so I can see in a different color. So we do 4 times 25, and that equals 100, which means that this is number 100 order, but we want number 99, so that'll be this one. C, D, A, B, C, D, A, because we already figured out what the only 4 different combinations are, and we need 100 of them, so there we go. So let's see what they say. We're saying number 3 is the answer, and we take these off. After 4 skewers of meat, the order of pieces of meat is repeated. It follows that the 100th skewer will respect the 4th order of meat. That is why the 99th skewer will be the 3rd letter combination, CDA, BCDA. Excellent. That looked a lot more complicated than it was. Oh well, see you next time. Hello, fellow puzzle addicts. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more great videos.